name is MUAZ and I am 20 years old. My dream is to make my parents proud with my success.
My name is Hadi, and now currently I'm studying diploma in marine engineering. And my dream is I want to sail across the sea and make some money.
My name is FARHIN bin Mabasha. I am 18 years old, study marine engineering. My dream is I want to be a good person in my family.
Hello guys.
Hello.
So today we're gonna discuss about ratio. This task is given by our lecturer Medazwani, and we're gonna present about ratio. So Api, can you tell me what is ratio?
Yes, I can tell you about ratio. So what is ratio? The ratio is defined as the comparison of two quantities of the same units that indicates how much of one quantity is present in the other quantity. So the meaning of this is a ratio is a way to compare two things that are measured in the same units. It shows how much of one thing you have in relation to the other.
Thank you, Api, for the definition of the ratio. Can you give example of ratio?
This is example for ratio. There are 3 dogs and 2 fish. We can write that as a 3:2 or 3:2 or 3 and 2.
Thank you, Api, for the example of ratio. So Muaz, can you give example of the question for the ratio?
I will explain the ratio question. And okay, look, the first question, the question given, the ratio of girls to boys in a chess club was 5 to 4. There were 32 boys. How many girls were there in the club? Okay. Our way to solve the problem is that we need to map the number of men to find out the number of women, which is the number of men. 32 equal to the ratio of 4. So first that we need to solve right with 32 men over with the ratio of 4, and we will get equal 8. And our next step, take the answer of 8 yearly and multiply it by the ratio of women, which is a ratio of 5. So this answer will be 40. And the answer 40, that is the ratio of women in the club. And then his final answer is 40 to 32, which is 40 women and 32 men. Okay, look at the second question. The second question given, the ratio of kids to adults at a party is 5 to 2. If there are 14 adults at the party, and how many kids are there? Okay, for us to know the number of children in the party is to take the number of adults, which is 14 adults divided by the ratio of 2 adults, and the answer he will get is 7. And then the answer we got early, which is 7, we multiply by the ratio of 5, which is the ratio of children, and 35 children in the party. We get the answer. So his last answer is 35 to 14.
Thank you, Muaz, for explaining the example of question for ratio.
Okay, welcome. Luthfil, can you tell me application of ratio in daily life?
Okay. So today I'm gonna tell about application of ratios in daily life. So first, we can calculate speed using the ratio traveled to the time it takes to travel that distance. So what does it mean? It means the ratios can be used to calculate When you compare the distance traveled to the time it takes to cover that distance. So the formula for speed is speed equal to distance divided by time. So I'm gonna give an example. So let's watch this video. So what happened there? MUAZ is riding the motorcycle with average speed 65 km in 1 hour. So the speed ratio is 65 kilometers per hour. So the second one is ratios used to help students share characters equally, which means ratios can be used to divide something equally by representing the parts that need to be divided and then ensuring that each part receives the same relative share. So I'm going to show you the example of share equally. So there's 6 biscuits in the middle, and each person take 2. So the ratio is from 3 to 6 become 1 person take 2 biscuits, which is 1 to 2. Lastly, ratios can be used for chances for gamblers to win lottery. So here's the example of the video. So casino use various ratios in their operation for their players. So the last example, MUAZ have 1 out of 1,000 possibles to win the lottery. That is all for application of ratios in daily life. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you. My name is MUAZ ZHAFRAN. I hope you guys can understand what I explained in this video, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys.
My name is AFIFF. Thank you to my group members and my lecturer, Madam Hadi. I hope you guys get a new knowledge from us. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Luthfil Hadi. Thank you to the lecturer for the given task. And I hope you guys understand what's the video about, and I hope you guys learn new knowledge. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.